Hello children, if you observe properly, this picture tells us about something. What are those? Yes, these are some pots made up of mud and some are of the metals, plastics, right? And even the tank is also there. And we know the uses of it. We restore water at home in this, right? We use it for the drinking purpose and for the other purposes too, right? And as we know, the water is a very important for all of us. We need the water all the time. Okay, so today in the chapter number 5 of EVS part 1, we are going to learn water for every household. We need water all the time. We have to store water in the house so that we can get it when we need it. Nowadays, that means earlier, nowadays we are using uh, water purifiers. But earlier, brass and copper pots as well as earthen pots were used to store water. Here you can see the copper pot and earthen pots are there. Ask your parents or the grandparents for the names of these kinds of the pots. People also build tanks in their house to store water. Nowadays, steel or plastic is also used to make a different containers for storing water. Now we used to store the water, but if you observe in your home, we mostly keep the lids on that pots. What's the reason behind that? Why do we keep the lids on the pots of water? Yes, because it can be safe from the dust and the other material should not get mixed in the water, so we used to place the lids on it, right? Now what kind of the care do we take for while storing the drinking water? As we know, potable water, that means the water which is safe for us, right? So to ensure good hygiene we must have a safe drinking water. यानी अगर हमको गुड हाइजीन चाहिए, गुड हेल्थ चाहिए, तो हम लोगों को जो पानी सेफ है ड्रिंकिंग के लिए वही पीना है. इफ़ वी कंज्यूम कंटामिनेटेड वाटर, दैट मीन्स द वाटर विच इज़ नॉट गुड फॉर आवर हेल्थ, विच एंडेंजर आवर हेल्थ, so it can cause diseases. That is why we take special care of the water we store for drinking and the cooking. और इसलिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं, जो ड्रिंकिंग और कुकिंग के लिए पानी स्टोर करते हैं उसकी अच्छे से केयर करते हैं. वी कीप द ड्रिंकिंग वाटर कंटेनर्स कवर्ड and this prevents the dust and the other rubbish from entering the water. If hands can enter the water, so for that we use a deeper. Here you can see a ladder to take the water and we replace the lid again, right? But the base method of taking water is to have a tap on the container. So instead of this we have to use the utensil or the pot which has a tap. यानी टैप चालू किया, पानी ले लिया. सो देर इज़ नो नीड और देर इज़ नो चांस कि हम लोगों का हाथ उस पानी में जाए. सो इट बिकम्स ईजियर टू टेक द वाटर एंड ऑल्सो प्रिवेंट्स द कंटामिनेशन. यानी पानी ख़राब होने से बच जाएगा. So when the water in the container is finished, we wash the container well before refilling it, right? Refill करना यानी वापस से पानी भरने से पहले हम लोग क्या करते हैं, वो कंटेनर को वॉश करते हैं. एंड इफ़ वी टेक सच ए केयर, ड्रिंकिंग वाटर रिमेन्स क्लीन. अगर हम लोग ऐसे केयर करते हैं तो ड्रिंकिंग वाटर जो रहता है वो सेफ रहता है. सम पीपल बिलीव दैट द प्रीवियस डेज ड्रिंकिंग वाटर मस्ट बी थ्रोन अवे एंड फ्रेश वाटर स्टोर एवरी डे. यानी कोई लोग क्या करते हैं, पानी जो भरा हुआ रहता है वो फेंकते हैं और नया पानी भरते हैं, फ्रेश पानी भरते हैं, क्योंकि दे थिंक दैट बिकॉज द प्रीवियस डेज वाटर बिकम स्टेल. यानी पहले दिन जो भरा हुआ पानी रहेगा वो ख़राब होता है. बट दिस इज़ नॉट दैट, दिस इज़ द मिसकंसेप्शन, यानी गलत सोच है. Throwing away that water amounts to washing good water, to wasting good water. यानी जो हम लोग पानी फेंकते हैं वो क्या करता है, पानी वेस्टेज करता है. We should use drinking water for other purposes only if it gets dirty due to some reason. अगर पानी ख़राब हो जाता है किसी रीज़न की वजह से, अगर उसमें कुछ गिर गया फिर कुछ है, तो हम लोग वो पानी किसी और पर्पज़ के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं. बट डू नॉट थ्रो दैट वाटर अवे. ओके. Why people have begun to use plastic or steel containers for storing water? What is the reason behind that? Yes, because what? Because steel containers are right now not that much heavier like the before one, and even we can clean it easily. Then plastic containers are there that we can carry with ourselves. So because of that, people started using the plastics and the steel containers, right? So this is one of the experiment that you are going to do. You are going to use a plastic bottle, cut it off. You are going to purse it from the four sides. Purse करने से hold करना है, and then you are going to take the refills and you are going to put that refills in the hole. And then if you will observe, the water flows from all the pipes. यानी ये जो refill pipes लगाए हम लोग ने, उसमें से क्या होता है, पानी बाहर आ जाता है. So that means the water flows in all the direction. We have observed such a water tanks. So here the water that we use, that we get from the water tank, and we are using for all the purposes, right? Then even we know that there are the dams, and that dams are constructed on built or the constructed on the rivers. यानी जो नदियाँ रहती हैं उनके ऊपर इस तरीके से डैम्स बांधा जाते हैं और पानी को रिस्टोर किया जाता है. So lake, rivers, reservoirs are our sources of water. Okay, and they are often a long distance from our house, so it is very difficult to collect the water from distant places, and that's why such a kinds of the tanks are built. And such a heighted tanks provide us the water, and for that purpose machines are used for lifting the water, that are called the pumps, and pumps runs on the diesel or the electricity. Okay, so due to a great height, we can get and supply the water in the towns and the cities. So here the journey is shown. This is the water tower. From the water tower, here you can see the water is supplied to the buildings, to the different houses. Then other buildings are also there. So here first of all we will see the source of the water for the settlement. We get the water from the rain. Rain is the main source. उसके बाद में we store that water in the river. We construct the dam, यानी हम लोग dam construct करते हैं. उसके बाद से that water has been bring to the pipeline at the purification center. यहाँ पे purification होता है. Purification होके वो सप्लाई किया जाता है. सप्लाई होके इट इज़ सप्लाइड टू द वाटर टॉवर्स, एंड देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स इट्स सप्लाइड टू द अदर buildings. Okay, but before that, in some places still the water tankers are called for the water where there is no wells and the bore wells, or where there is the shortage of water, यानी जहाँ पे पानी का shortage होता है. In the village there are the wells at the many places, and from that wells the people use this water for the drinking purpose and for the other purpose, and they used to boil the water for the drinking purpose, so it should not endanger their health.